Understanding tube construction, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning video. We are going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, tube construction. This term might sound technical, but we'll break it down together, making it easy and fun to learn. So, let's get started. Tube construction refers to a method of building or creating structures where the main components are shaped like tubes. This is commonly seen in engineering, architecture, and even in simple everyday objects. The key point to understand here is that tube-like shapes are the central feature of this construction method. To better understand this concept, let's look at some examples. Think of the London Underground, also known as the Tube, which is a network of tunnels underground. Another example can be skyscrapers with a tubular structure, providing both strength and aesthetic appeal. Even simple items like a paper towel roll demonstrate tube construction on a basic level. Why is tube construction important or preferred in some cases? It's mainly due to the strength and efficiency it provides. Tubular structures can withstand external pressures better than flat surfaces, making them ideal for buildings in windy cities or for tunnels under the sea. It's a perfect blend of science and design. When discussing tube construction, you might encounter terms like structural integrity, cylindrical, and load-bearing. Don't be overwhelmed. These are just fancy ways to talk about how strong the structure is, its circular shape, and how well it supports weight. And that's a wrap on tube construction. We hope this video has shed some light on this fascinating topic and added some new terms to your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and you'll be an English pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.